Welcome to IVTNN's Good Morning World. America has taken out its most crucial weapon, which they have been using against many countries, including Iran, India, and any country where they want to create problems. In the name of democracy, in the name of freedom of speech, in the name of right, in the name of fundamental rights and right to life. All these have been used by America against many nations to impose sanctions against them. Recently, Biden administration has done the same question on rights and freedom in India. They said that in Kashmir and the other part of India, the rights of the people have been suppressed, oppositions have been jailed. Yes, the same thing have happened in America. America has invaded to many countries like Iraq and suppressed the people and ruined their life, ruined their country, killed the ruler. Then where was this democracy? America has to answer. Biden administration traditionally are the supporters of Pakistan because Pakistan has got a lot of edge in Biden and Democrats political circle that they have been using. But unfortunately, now Biden administration realized that India is very important for America to contain China. Using China as an ace against India, Biden administration has been trying to sell a lot of weapons because India is a huge weapon market. If India doesn't buy any weapon, they will lose billions of rupees, billions of dollars of business. Considering that if Biden administration will use democracy or freedom of speech or anything against India, the time has come for India to slow down its purchase from America because American industries and weapon market, everything is totally ruined. They are not having any sales. So India is a lucrative market which they are always requesting to open up. Unfortunately, India has distributed its weapon purchase budget among Russia, though it has been reduced from Russia these days because of some irritation taken place and some unfulfilled promises Russian authorities has made. Ever since India is very cautious and distributing the weapon without giving any special consideration to Russia. And Biden administration need India's business. At the same time, Biden administration never has been a supporter of India or India's cause, whether it is in the UN or whether it is in the international arena. And India knows that it was Trump who was better for India than Biden. And now India has become highly isolated and a lone country which has to fight China all alone. Unfortunately, China has taken such a misadventure in Ladakh to show Trump administration that China could do anything. And it has ended up bleeding China and India a little bit. However, China lost its clout in the international arena after invaded into Ladakh, and India has taken a firm stand that if China won't budge, then India will throw them out. And India was ready for a war. India was not ready to give up an inch of land. The present scenario in Ladakh, no one knows. At the same time, the Biden administration trying to nail India using right, and American media has been highlighting the news which has been supplied by the ultra-leftists in India, especially those who hijacked BBC India Bureau and using the clips that would tarnish the image of India has been taking and retelecasting, which is not in the interest of India and America friendship. Another news which is coming is a girl in Lakshadweep tried to convince the world through a channel, one which is an Islamic channel, run by fundamentalist Islamists that India was exporting COVID to Lakshadweep as a biological weapon. It is an anti-national activity, and the girl has been registered, has been booked for anti-national activities, and now she is hiding in somewhere in Cochin with the support of a CPM government which has been voted into power by the Muslims. So now Kerala is ruled by Muslims because of the money from the Middle East and the Muslim vote bank. All these have been playing, and the present government in Kerala is unable to talk a word against Islamic influence, Islamic fundamentalism, or Islamic opinion. And it is harmful for the nation as such. So in case Kerala as a state is becoming a dangerous for India and India's sovereignty, then time has come for India, government of India, to dissolve Kerala state and integrate half of them with Tamil Nadu and the other half into Karnataka, and disband Kerala police and shut down Kerala High Court, which has been playing in the hands of the Bible, Quran and the Communist Manifesto in Kerala, because they have brought the High Court of Kerala has given many judgment, including banning the fireworks, which is a tradition in Kerala temples, which shows that how even the independence of the Kerala High Court and the judiciary has diminished from the present condition. The third one is that Article 370 of India is Kashmir has been cancelled, annulled by the government of India, has been taken up by the Congress party, which is already dying. From the grave of death, the Congress party is trying to engage Muslim vote like CPM has done in Kerala and Mamata Banerjee is doing in West Bengal. But unfortunately, the future of the leaders of Congress is in danger, and they are unable to come back, and their career will be ruined unless and until they jump the boat and join any other political party which has a future. So Biden administration should restrain from making the comments which are not in the interest of both America and India. With this, we are ending this week's IB Tenants Good Morning World. Have a nice day.